Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick holiday haul for you, and these are all the products that I've kind of accumulated or been gifted in the last month. Some of them came out of the Sephora end of year money back kind of gift certificate thing they give you at the end of the year, and a lot of them were gifts over the holiday season, so let's just get started. The first things are the two that I bought for myself in the Sephora deal, and first is the Tarte Gifted Mascara. This is my all-time favorite mascara. I was out of it for a while. I was kind of trying out other mascaras, and I came back to this one because it's just the best. What I like most about it is that you can keep layering it onto your lashes all day throughout the day, and they just keep getting more and more lush and thick, and they don't get like too clumpy or spidery or nasty, and it just really like layers on well. I also find that it doesn't transfer too bad on me, and I just really like the packaging. Everything about it I really like. The other thing was the Kiehl's Daily Reviving Concentrate, and maybe I just watched one too many Jamie Genevieve videos or one too many, Instagram tutorials where they're like dropping, liquid on their face or whatever, but I'm really enjoying this so far. I'm going to be doing a video that's a full review on this. Next up was a holiday gift, and this is the Bobbi Brown Eye Blender Brush. And I had I'll show you, my Sigma E40 for a super long time, and they're very similar. The Bobbi Brown one's a little bigger than the Sigma, but they're kind of essentially the same kind of big, fluffy crease brush that you can use to diffuse out a shadow. But this one has just been shedding a lot. It's kind of just super old, so it's starting to feel really rough on the skin, and it just needed a replacement. And that's the brush that I use every single day, all day, every day for all my mascara, for all my eyeshadow. So I was really interested in trying this one, and it's super soft, and I've been loving it so far. Moving on to a couple lip products, I got some soft lip lip balm. I like these because they have SPF in them, in my stocking from Santa. And then I also got this Tom Ford lip color in number 83 Bradley. This is from their Lips and Boys collection, and I haven't been able to use it because it's just too beautiful. I love the Tom Ford embossing in it, and this one's called Bradley, and my boyfriend's name is Bradley. Oh my god, how cute. And then this is like a regular size one just for reference. It's super tiny compared to a full-size Tom Ford lipstick, but so cute. I can't wait to try it. But like I said, it's just too beautiful. I don't want to use it. I'm like saving it for a special day. I don't know when that day is going to come, but hopefully soon. And then I quickly also want to mention that I repurchased my Sarah Happ One Luxe Gloss in the Nude Slip. I had lost this tragically under a bench at a sushi restaurant. It could not be retrieved, so I got a new one, and I was really missing it in my collection when it was gone for a few weeks. It's just a really nude gloss. That's what I have on today. It's just really simple, nothing crazy on the lips, and I just love it. I love the formula of these. You need this. And then moving on to some healthier beauty products, I had a Sephora gift card. So the first thing I bought, I had been trying to buy this when the Sephora deal was going on, but it kept going in and out of stock, and every time I went to try to buy something, it was out of stock, so I couldn't add it to my cart. But this is the RMS Beauty Living Luminizer, and this is just their kind of famous highlighter. I think this is probably the most popular product from RMS Beauty. I see this in like magazines and on Instagram a lot, but it's the highlighter that I'm wearing today. It's a really natural, just kind of dewy, subtle, super subtle highlighter. But this brand is really great because it's all natural, it's all good for you, and I'm just really excited about this. This is my new everyday highlighter. And then a couple things from Premier Look that were gifted to me that I absolutely had on my list for the holidays and was so happy and lucky to receive. These are the Osmosis Blush in the shade Poppy and the Eyeshadow Trio in Desert Trio. And these are my new everyday products. All the stuff in this video really is an everyday product now. And they're just super beautiful. I love the Osmosis brand because it's all mineral based and a little healthier for you. I'm wearing them on my eyes and my cheeks today so you can kind of see the look that they give. I've also done my previous video, used these products so you can see them in action there. Moving on to hair care products, I got a couple Pureology products, and this is the Pureology Vibrant Hair Anywhere Essential Set. And this has their Hydrate Shampoo and Conditioner, a spray, and then a air drying cream that you put in your hair when you're just going to air dry it. I absolutely love all these products. I've actually had this set before. I think I got it last year, and I love them. I use this styling product. I just kind of keep getting minis. Magically, somehow they keep coming into my life, and I use this basically every day when I blow dry my hair. So this is great for travel and great for everyday use. I really like Pureology also because they're 100% vegan, so that's pretty cool. And then one more Pureology product that I had never tried before. This is the Pureology Hydrate Superfood Treatment, and this is a hair mask that you put on damp hair in the shower and leave on for 5 minutes. This smells super good, and I really massage this into my scalp and all the way down through the ends of my hair, and I've used it twice already, and it really makes my hair feel super soft. And I also struggle with kind of like dandruff and a dry scalp, but also really greasy hair, so it's kind of hard to find a product that's going to treat that but not make me look super, super greasy. And this does kind of make me look a little greasy, but it's not too bad. This is the best one that I've found, and it really has made my hair feel super soft, and I'm loving this. Okay, last two products are both body care, and the first one is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. This is from the brand Sol de Janeiro, and this is from Sephora. If you haven't tried the Bum Bum Cream, you need to. It smells super good. It also is a little glittery. It like leaves a nice sheen on your body. But this is a great lotion. When I finish up the one that I'm using, I can't wait to crack this one out and use this up. I've had a few of these in the past and love it. And the final product is a new fragrance. This is the Diptyque, I have no idea how to pronounce this, L'Ombre dans l'eau. It's in French, sorry. But this smells amazing. This is the bigger size of the perfume, which I was super excited and lucky to get. I've only ever had the smaller size of their perfumes before. But this is absolutely beautiful. It's a really like fresh, I don't know, fruity, but not girly kind of scent. I don't know how to describe it. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. This is my new everyday scent. And that's it for this holiday haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all these products. As always, everything I mentioned will be listed in the description box down below. Please also subscribe down below if you haven't already. I upload 2 days a week on Monday and Thursday, and thank you so much for watching.